Hello Plonkety Plonkers, Daft Scots Lass here, and it's the 1st of December, which means it's blog Festivus time over at Blog Dramedy. The first day is the partridge in a pear tree. Or should we work it from the other way around, where you start with the 12 drummers drumming and you land up with one partridge in a pear tree? I can only do it the other way around, where you go from 12 to 1. Because that's how the song goes in it, isn't it? Yeah, now I'm confused myself. Now I've really confused myself. And I'm going to be singing you a little song. Aren't you lucky fuckers? I'm going to be singing the 12 Days of Christmas, but I'm going to put my own little twist on it, because the entire challenge that I'm going to be doing for the next 12 days, so it's 12 posts over 12 days about the 12 days of Christmas. You get it? Well, if not, the links below will be sending you over to Blog Dramedy, and you can go and link up there and check out her blog. Here's how it goes. On the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a partridge in a pear tree. Now that's how it normally goes. But my little twist on it, if you've read the post below, you'll see I think that partridges are way too overrated, and I'm going to change it up to Jamie Oliver's chicken saute, or chicken on a stick. Thai chicken saute on a stick. There we go. So the song goes: on the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me Thai saute chicken. 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and Jamie Oliver's chicken on a stick. Wait a minute. Thai chicken saute on a stick. Pretty frickin' awesome. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 12 drummers drumming, 11 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and Jamie Oliver's chicken on a stick. All together now. All together now. I should have had my Christmas hat on for this one. Damn, girl. That's it, I suppose. That will be the 12 Days of Christmas challenge, and that was day 1. So come back tomorrow for day 2, and I guess that's about it. Oh, Emma's crying. Come, Emma. Anyway, cheers for now. See you tomorrow. Bye.